Start.
Yes.
Okay, before going to start, I may ask Michelle, what is square of 12?
144.
Yeah? No. No. Here. Shankari, square of 13. Shankari, square of 13.
169.
Mithun, 18.
Ma'am, 324.
Abhishek, 15.
I'm 225.
Anlia, 12.
144.
Jeevan, 18.
Ma'am, 324.
324. Krishnaveni, 11.
Ma'am, 121.
Gopi Krishna,
Yes,
12.
ma'am.
12.
Ma'am, 12,
Hmm.
144.
Alan, 13.
Ma'am, 169.
Tia, 14. Tia, 14.
Ma'am, 190.
Abhinav, 11. Abhinav, 11. Abhinav, can you hear me, Abhinav? Square of
Ma'am, here's audio problem.
audio has problem. Okay. Evelyn, square. Evelyn. Evelyn,
Ma'am, Binawa has sent the answer.
18. Evelyn, 18.
Ma'am, 289.
18.
18. Ma'am, 324.
Mm.
Ma'am,
Okay. Okay, Abhinav, I saw your answer. Okay, I saw. Okay, so shall we start? Okay, next heading is, okay, that pattern, did you write that pattern? Okay.
6 to 7 you have given.
Okay, only that. Next is numbers between square numbers. Next heading is numbers between square numbers. Numbers between square numbers. Numbers between square numbers. Numbers between square numbers. 1 square equal to 1. 2 square equal to 4. How many numbers between 1 square and 2 square?
and 3.
1.
And 3 numbers.
Numbers between 1 square and 2 square. That is 1 and 4. Which are they?
2, 3.
And 3. There are 2 numbers between 1 square and 2 square. Okay? There are two numbers, write all of you, between 1 square and 2 square. Up to this, right? There are two numbers between 1 square and 2 square. Now, 2 square, the example 1. Here example 2. 2 square and 3 square you will find. 2 square equal to 4. 3 square equal to 9. Numbers between 2 square and 3 square are 5, 6,
6,
7,
7, 8.
8. So how many numbers are there between 2 square and 3 square?
4.
4.
There are 4 numbers. 4 numbers between 2 square and 3 square. 2 square and 3 square. Okay? Now, we will find numbers between 4 square and 5 square. Example,
Ma'am, can you show that slide again?
all of you find how many numbers are there between 4 square and 5 square. Find numbers between, how many numbers are there between 4 square and 5 square. Find. Up to this over all of you?
I'm 9.
Ma'am, 8.
8,
8.
8, 8.
8.
Numbers between between 4 square and
5 square.
5 square. They are, that is between 16 and
16 and 25.
25. They are 17,
17, 18, 19, 20.
17, 18,
18, 19,
20.
20, 21, 22, 23,
How many are there?
24.
How many are there?
8.
8 numbers.
Yes, 8.
8 numbers between 4 square and 5 square. 4 square and 5 square. Okay. So here we saw there are two numbers between 1 square and 2 square. 4 numbers between 4 square and 3 square. 8 numbers between 4 square and 5 square. Is there
I'm so
any
evil.
is there any relation? Can you see any relation there? Numbers between two numbers.
Ma'am, even number.
Huh?
Multiplication.
Multiply.
2.
Yes, we will multiply the first number by 2. Multiply the first number by 2. That is between 2 square and 3 square. How many are there? 4.
4.
So it
9.
is 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into this 2. Between 4 square and 5 square,
8.
2
8
into
and 25.
4. 2 into 4,
4.
8.
8.
Okay. So we will multiply the first number by 2. We will get how many numbers lies between those two squares. So how many numbers lies between? How many numbers lies between 6 square and 7 square? 6 square and 7 square. How can
And
we
12.
find?
2 into 6.
2 into 6. 2 into 6. 12 numbers between 6 square and 7 square. Let this 6 square, suppose this 6 square is n. Then 7 can be the next number, n plus 1. Then between n square and n plus 1 square, there are 2n non-perfect. They are not perfect squares. See, the numbers between 4 square and 25 are 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. They are non-perfect square numbers. They are not square numbers. Okay. So between 4 square and 5 square, there are 8 non-perfect square numbers. So between, which was the example I gave? 6 square and 7 square.
7 square.
Between 6 square and 7 square, see, between 6 square and 7 square, there are 12 non-perfect square numbers. So in general, between n square and n plus 1 square, there are 2n non-perfect square numbers. Non-perfect square numbers. So we can write in a formula, there are
12 numbers.
there are 2n non-perfect square numbers between the squares of the numbers n and n plus 1. n plus 1. n and n plus 1. Or we can write only this much is enough. Okay, now we will do some question. Find how many natural numbers between first question 12 square and 13 square. Second question 9 square and yes.
Can you write 2 into 12?
2 into 12, just write the answers.
So we have write the numbers between the.
No, not write, because it will many numbers will be there. No need to write those numbers. Just write number. How many are there? Only that. Between 90 square and 91 square, and between 100 square and 101 square. Here it is 2 into 12, 24 numbers. This way, find the answers. 2 into 12, 24 numbers.
18. Second one.
18.
Third one 180.
Mm,
Fourth one 200.
correct.
Ma'am, up to 20 score we should learn
Hmm?
by heart.
Hmm? Yes?
The squares we should learn up to 20.
Yes, up to 20. Here, 18, 180, 200.
200.
18 how? 2 into
Ma'am, to 9
9.
into 2.
Ah,
90 into 2.
mm.
100 into 2.
Over?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, see, one we can write first, it is the first odd number, isn't it?
Yes.
1. Hmm? Or 1 square, we can write 1 square equal to 1. Now, 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 means the sum of first two odd numbers equal to what? 1 plus 3 is
4.
4.
that we can write 2
Two square.
square. Okay. Now 1 plus 3 plus 5.
3 plus 5.
Sum of
9. 3 square.
first 3 odd numbers equal to 9 equal to 3 square. So
3
next will
square.
be 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7.
5 plus 7.
Sum of first 4 odd numbers equal to 16 equal to 4 square. So what
4
will be
square.
1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9? Sum of first 5 odd
Ma'am, 5 square.
4
5 square.
5 square. Sum of, see all of you listen to the board. First is 1 plus 3. Sum of first 2 odd numbers. It is 2 square. Third line is sum of first 3 odd numbers. It is 3 square. Fourth line is sum of first 4 odd numbers. Its sum is 4 square. So what is sum of the first 5 odd
5
numbers?
square.
5 square. 5 square equal to 25. Understood all of you that relation?
Yes,
Sum
ma'am.
of the first 5 odd numbers is 5 square. So what is the sum of the first 7 odd numbers? Alna Jinson, sum of the first 7 odd numbers will be? Sum of the first 7 odd numbers will be what? Krishnaveni. Sum of the first 7 odd numbers will be what? Krishnaveni.
Ma'am, 49.
Yes,
6.
7 square 49. Okay. So here it is 25. In this way we can find sum of the first, suppose we are writing 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. Find all. Find all this. Find sum of the first
And we have to write the
everything right. Find the sum of the first, here 6 odd numbers, here 7 odd numbers. Sum of the first 7 odd numbers. So we can write the sum of first n verse first sum of the first n odd numbers is what? Is
36.
no, I'm asking this box. Sum of the first
First
n
is
odd numbers is
6.
this box. Come fill up this blank. Sum of the first n odd numbers is
in square.
n square. Put in a box. If it is 7 odd numbers, 7 square. If it is 11 odd numbers, 11 square. 10 odd numbers, 10 square. That way. So, n odd numbers, sum of first n odd numbers is n square. The sum of first n odd numbers is n square. Okay?
Ma'am.
Okay. Now, how can we understood a given number is a perfect square number or not? That is the thing next we are going to study. Okay. How we will understand a given number is a perfect square number or not. Okay. See, first we will check 25. We know that 25 is a perfect square number because 5 square equal to 25. So 25 is a perfect square number. Okay. We will check it. First we will subtract 25 minus 1 is equal to what?
24.
24.
24.
Now 24 minus 3. We are subtracting the odd numbers in an order. Subtracting the odd numbers in order. 24 minus 3?
21.
21.
21. 21 minus 5?
16.
16. 16 minus 7?
9.
9. 9 minus 9? 0. 9 minus 9, 0.
This
If the
is
given
odd.
number is a perfect square, while we are subtracting the odd numbers in order, we will get a 0. Okay. And how many steps we
So
did?
that's a perfect square.
So that is a perfect square. And how many steps we did?
And
1,
5.
2, 3,
3, 4,
4,
5.
5. So root 5 square is 25. See the relation? 25 means we will have 5. After 5 steps, we will reach 0. We will reach 0. Okay. I will show you. 40. We can do on 36. So first what we will do? 36.
Minus 1.
Ma'am, the first one should be right.
Okay, I will give time. Now you concentrate. I will give time to write. Okay. 36 minus 1 is? Listen to the board now.
35.
35. Then 35 minus
3.
3 equal to
32.
32. Then 32 minus
5.
5 equal to
27.
7.
7.
7 minus
27 minus 7.
7,
20.
20. Now 20 minus
9.
9 equal
11.
to 11. Now 11 minus
11.
11.
0.
How many steps? 1, 2,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
6 square is 36. So 36 is a square number. Write these two examples. After that, we will check some more. We will check some non-perfect square numbers also. Write these two.
After that, in the side, we can write like 6 square, 5 square.
Okay, that also. Here you can put a
And
bracket
so
and
bottom we can write. And so
that I'll
bottom we
give.
can
That
write.
generalize I will give. A generalization I'll give. Okay, wait. Or here you can write 25 is a square number. Or since we reached at 0, 25 is a square number.
And this one we should write. It is must.
Ah,
Ma'am, it is must to write this.
okay. You just write. Here, since we reached 0, 36 is a square number. Only for square numbers we will reach a 0. I will show you. We will check for non-square numbers. First you write this. Here also 6 steps. So 6 square.
The number is
Yes, Michelle?
step also increase.
Yes. If it is 7 square, there will be 7 steps.
10 steps.
Okay.
That way. Over?
Yes, ma'am.
So let us check 38. We will check whether 38 is a square number or not. Okay, first what we will do? 38 minus 1. 37. 37 minus 3. 37 minus 3?
34.
34. 34 minus 5?
29.
34. 29. 34 minus 5 is 29. 29 minus 7 is? 29 minus 7 is?
22.
22 minus 9?
30.
13. 13 minus 11?
2. So it's not a square number.
2 minus 13? Minus 9 comes. So after 2, 0 is not there. 0 is not coming. Understood? So we can say therefore 38 is not a perfect square number. Not a perfect square number. 38 is not a perfect square number. Okay. These are one of the methods to check whether it is a perfect square or not. Okay, but we have some more methods, easy methods for finding. So these methods you just know. While doing a problem, you will use some other methods. We have some other methods to find whether it is, because suppose we are testing 281. How many steps we need to do? We have to do many steps. It's very difficult task. We have some other easy steps for finding a number is a perfect square or not. This is a method. I am just introducing you. Here a method is there. Okay. Shall I move to the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, you have another pattern. 7 square equal to what?
49.
49.
7 square equal to 49. Next is 67 square is between this 4 and 9. If we wrote a 48, 67 square comes. And next is 667 square. Again between 4 and 8, we are inserting a 48. This is the 667. To the middle, we are inserting a 48. Understood? Into the middle, we will insert a 48. So what will be this square? To here, we will insert
4, 4,
4, 48, 889. Understood? Into the middle, we are inserting a 48. You will get this 666.
4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 8, 8, 8, 8.
Ma'am, can you show that once again?
Over. I'm finished.
Next, one more pattern. 11 square is? 11 square is?
121.
121. 11 square is 121. And 121. 101 square is 10201. Between the numbers, we are inserting 0. Then 1001 square is 1002001. Between the numbers, here 2 zeros. 1001, 2 zeros. So between the numbers, we are inserting 2 zeros. So 10,001 square will be 1002 2001. So find this. Write the answers.
I'm finished.
Okay?
Ma'am.
Over all of you?
Yes.
Ma'am, can
I will show you one more pattern. Over?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Square plus 2 square plus 2 square equal to 3 square. 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square equal to 7 square. 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square equal to 13 square. 13 square. Can you find any relation between these sums?
Ma'am,
Can you see any relation? Is there any pattern? Is there? As we are. Yes.
6 to 30, I'll be back.
27.
What was
Ma'am. Ma'am, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4 is not the where 1, 2, 3
No, ma'am,
below
that is
below.
down. Yes, ma'am,
No,
downwards.
not in that way.
And
ma'am,
2
3
raised to 2,
square
6
9.
raised
Huh?
to
Huh?
2.
Huh?
6.
Okay, I will ask another question. How that third number comes? Think on that way. What is the relation between the first two numbers and third number? Find out.
And while multiplying it with
Yes, yes, good, good, yes. When we are multiplying the first two numbers, we are getting the third one. See, 1 into 2, 2. In the first line, 1 into 2, 2. Second line, 2 into 3, 6. Third line, 3 into 4, 12. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And what is the relation between the third number and the answer? Third number and answer. Huh? What is the relation between the third number and the answer?
Ma'am,
Yes, Shankari.
2 and 3.
Ah,
The next number.
the next number, plus 1. Here 2, 2 plus 1, 3 comes. 6, 6 plus 1, 7 comes. And 12, 12 plus 1, 13 comes.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can you explain again? I don't understand.
Did you understand how that third number comes? The
Yes, ma'am.
product of the first and two, Midun? That you understood?
And
I didn't
ma'am,
understand.
some confusion.
I didn't understand.
Wait, I will explain, don't worry. First, in the first digit, okay, the first line, 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. So first number is 1, second number is 2. 1 into 2 gives the third number, 2. Okay? Second line, 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square. 2 into 3, 6 comes, the third number. Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Third line, 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square. 3 into 4 will be
12.
the third number. Understood?
Yes. Yes.
Squares are there already. Huh? And the third number and the answer number. Third number and the answer number. Third number is 2, answer number is 3. Third number is 6, the answer number is 7. Third number is 12, the answer number is 13. It means
By
the next number. The next
adding
number.
plus 1.
Yes. Now you understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you write these answers. 4 square plus dash plus 20 square equal to 21 square. And 6 square plus dash 7 square plus dash is equal to dash. Then next is 7 square plus dash equal to dash. Fill this. You just write the question because our time is up. Do and come.
Ma'am. Ma'am,
One is
third
5
one, we
square.
can write anything, right? Ma'am,
Yes.
third one.
Third one,
Ma'am, that.
multiply. Multiply the first and second, you will get the third one.
4.
Ma'am, 7 square, then you have given
plus
3 dashes.
So 7 square. The next number, see, after 2, 3. After 3, 4. After 6, 7 comes. The next
Okay,
number.
5, 6.
You try. It is there in your book. Question number 6.
Ma'am, 2, I got first one is 5 square.
5 squares. It is
The
a
second one is 42 square.
exercise 6.1. Sixth is the question. You can check. Okay.
And last one, how can we find only one is the 7 square?
After 7, the next number is what?
42.
After 7, the next number will be what?
8.
So you think this question is there in your book. Okay.
After that,
Okay,
42.
ma'am.
Okay. Bye, all of you. We will meet in the
Thank
next
you, ma'am.
class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Study those squares. Okay.